Okay guys, how to build a Techpack for your manufacturer. Techpack is the blueprint for your design. Factory can develop your design from your drawings, from your ideas. The Techpack is everything you need to tell your manufacturer, tell your suppliers, so he can develop your design just the way you want. So what do you need to build up a Techpack? I will say you can narrow down to 5 items. It includes drawings, measurements, fabrics, trims, and everything that a supplier will need to know to make your design, make your idea into a product. The first thing is a drawing. Because you are not an expert of Illustrator, you need a drawing with a clear description and requirement. Just let your supplier know what your design is. The second thing is the measurements. Remember, there isn't standard size. You need to figure out your own customer size. At least you need to give the main size, such as the length, chest, waist, sleeves, etc. The third thing is the fabric requirement. So you need to let your supplier clear about type of fabric you want, the thick or thin, stretchy or non-stretchy, the color and other requirements. Or just send a reference sample and ask your supplier to source the same or similar fabric. The first thing is the trims, like zipper, bottoms, neck tags, ribbon, etc. Also, if you're not sure, just show them a picture. The fifth thing is printing and embroidery request. Well, you know, it is really popular to have printing or embroidery on your clothing. And before you do that, you need to prepare a high-resolution printing or embroidery file. Tell your supplier how big the pattern should be and where the precision is. Now you know how to build a Techpack. Let's do it.